POV, day in the life of like locking in. We are going to run you through what we do in our day as a trader in the UK. AI automation, do you know what my business is? AI is a big thing now, so everyone should be taking advantage of AI.
With that, you will be getting voice AI, like AI conversational agent.
Oh,
that's cool.
Right?
Very
It would be if you're going for a marketing automation, you will definitely get a client.
How come people are clapping in the background? Did someone just like close a deal through like the AI automation?
Yes, correct.
Oh, well done! Nice, well done. Nice.
Thank you.
How much did you guys make? A good amount?
No.
See, it's not a good amount, okay, but it's $150 a month.
Ah, no. Who doesn't like passive income, eh? Well,
But yes, we are very much consistent and we do have a lot of clients. Like we have more than 1,000 clients as of currently.
I just want to say thank you for talking to me because like I'm just really lonely at this moment in time, and you know, good to hear like another human's voice.
Especially against mental health month.
Especially. What is like he not like me? Hair done, it's time to lock in. Right, it's currently 1:22, okay? Market opens at 2:30, so we're about to do some analysis to let our Blueprint Academy know. We're in the lock-in pad right now, how to get rich. I need to let my Blueprint Academy know like what the trade is for today. Do you know what I mean? I think we're gonna take a short on gold again. It's gonna target 4,000, George. Are you gonna do it? Well, we're gonna short gold. Lock in. Okay, so the game plan today is for the US tech. We've done our research, we've analyzed it. US tech will start off choppy but continue bullish towards the end, and gold is looking to target the 4,000 levels, right? So let's let our chat know. Let's let fucking hell, gold's already sinking, bro. He's looking at it around there. People that printed gold looking weak, targeting 4,000 levels. US tech 100 starting off choppy but will continue bullish. Trade momentum. Good luck, gang. Yeah, yesterday we took a short on gold as well. Made a quick little drink. But yeah, this is my Blueprint VIP Academy, okay? This is my free group. So if anyone wants to join my free group, feel free to join that, link in bio. But if you want mentorship, one-to-one mentorship with me and my ex-mentor, you're gonna have to go onto jeffreychungtrading.com, lock that in, and wait till we get in touch. But yeah, let's get straight into the video. We are doing day in the life. We're prepping our trades for 2:30. Okay, boys, I was too busy sharing my game plan with the Blueprint Academy that I actually have now got FOMO. So we are going to take this down. Let's just get our levels. It wants to target down there. Let's take it down. This is going to be a little relief pullback, and then it's going to target the $4,000 level. And we are going to use that pocket money to take that into the main trade that we normally do, which is on the US tech, okay? So lock in, we're shorting gold. Back down to the 4,000 level, like we said. Yo, George, I'm shorting gold. Like, what we like to do here is we like to write down our goals, and we like put it on like a billboard or like a white sheet. So then every time we turn around and like our trade's not going our way, like for example, we're red right now, we're gonna like look at this and be like, no, we need to get rich. And then like the trade then goes green. Look, we're like $100 up right now. And this is how like dipshits make money. I just got a notification on my phone. Can you see that? IG trading, spot gold down. And that is the point, guys. You have to move faster than the overall news and the overall market. We did that analysis, we took that short on, and then all of a sudden the news is now telling me that like gold is down. Bro, move quicker, lock in. I was too busy talking shit that I didn't come out. I'm about to print on gold, George. I need it to go down like 10 more points, then I'm like gonna come out. It's like a guaranteed trade. It has to come down. Trading is just like an algorithm. It needs to go to certain points to like push back up. It's like a trampoline. A stock can't just go up if it's got like nothing to go up on. So we're gonna wait for it to go to 4,000. I did like my pre-match analysis. No, what are you doing? George, I did like my pre-match analysis.
Sorry, you asked me to come in here.
Yeah, because I didn't know you were with a chair.
Oh, did you just want me to sit on the floor?
Yeah. Oh, I just missed it now. Stop talking. Okay, so I did like my pre-match analysis. I let my VIP blueprint look, saying, listen, gold is looking weak. I'm like, just like teaching beginners how to print. You're obviously in a different niche. I can't say it on YouTube. Let's say like mattress actress management.
What would you just say, marketing?
Yeah. A marketing social media agency. But he's like looking to get into like the trading niche, okay?
Oh, right.
Well, you should do, because it's like easy money. So I let them know. This is what they pay for, to like come into, you know, you get like community, you get some like guidance. Anyway, I told them that gold is looking weak, targeting around the $4,000 area. And then we're gonna get ready in about 40 minutes to the US tech market. So we've just taken out like a pocket money for now. And, look at that. Can you see that? What number does that say?
4,001.
Yeah, and like, what did I say that it was target?
4,000.
Well, like, do we like wait or should we like come out? I think like, let's come out. But before I come out, I'm gonna have to like, let like the chat know too. I'm gonna take 4,000. Let me just like close that real quick. Round of applause. We like locked in and made some dough. Wait. Now I'm gonna get flagged. This just give you like an insight on the day in the life of like 2 entrepreneurs. Like people might see us and be like, these lot don't do anything. Well, I just made $400 in about an hour.
And that is what we call AI money.
Lock in. And like just like that, we pocketed $400. It's right. What time is it? 2 p.m. right now. So like we're lucky like taking it easy, because like the market is like opening in 30 minutes. We've written on our like board like we're going to get rich. And then we're going to go back into the markets, back to the trenches, make our second bit of money for the day. And then maybe we'll hit a gym workout. It's the hottest day of the year in England right now. So like it's low-key hot. Stay hydrated. See you at the next trade. All right, okay, so now we are back, right?
Hi guys,
No,
what's going
no,
on? Welcome back to the dipshit.
No, we are now making our money for the main drink, okay? So we made our... Stop, man. We made our pre-match analysis money, our lunch money. Stop. Okay, so on my Blueprint Academy, we did our call-outs, okay? We said that gold, looking weak. We've ticked that off, right? We made a quick 450. Like, check. You were there, you witnessed it. Tick. Okay. Now US Tech starting off choppy. So we didn't trade for the first hour because, you know, it was choppy. So, like, right now, just like up and down, no real, like, movements. So, but you can see that the trend is going to go up. We said that, you know, how do I drag this back over? We said that it will continue bullish, so we're going to trade the momentum. Good luck, gang. Now, like, obviously...
I don't need luck.
No, you're not trading right now, so, like, we're teaching you. Okay. So, okay, so, listen, on the day, we're going to identify... You know, we can't, like, give our secrets out, but, like, maybe I'll...
The whole point is... Okay, I've got an idea, guys. Double tap the screen if you want to see, like, us switch places, and me take the driver's seat, and, like, see if a dipshit can trade and make money.
Okay, so like the video if you want to see that in the next video. A complete beginner trying to day trade.
Just like double tap your computer screen or your phone screen.
Alright, we're going to take a long soon, sure, man.
Sure.
We low-key want it around that area. So it needs to dip like another like 10 points, 8 points, and then like we're going to cook.
It's not like it means anything to you.
6 contracts.
You're rich.
We're going to aim for like 10 points, which we already had, but like got a bit nervous for the quick scalp. Now we're down again. We're just going to be scalping in and out of the markets, okay? We're just going to be taking our quick drink on. We've already made our big money. You don't want to like be greedy in this game of day trading. People think they can like turn $100 in day trading money into like thousands, okay?
$100?
That's 20 points. I'm going to take that.
Drink.
Shush. Quick 150. Quick 150 like that, alright? Sometimes you have to... No, shut up. This is like, you have to like trade with momentum. So we're up a good like 455 to these 600 right now. We're only trading with like a small account. So like, imagine what people are doing printing like heavy dough.
Okay, now put that 600 and do it again.
I need to wait for a setup. Like, this is the problem with... This is like, you are the definition of a beginner trader, right? They make their money and they're like, I need to do it again because like, if I do it, if I'm like locked in and just like, if I made $150 in 2 minutes, God, in an hour, I can just do that 50 times and then make more money. No, that's how you blow your accounts, dipshit. Oh. You just have to like lock in, wait for the setup to come to you, and then when the setup has come to you, you can take it for another scalp. We are scalpers, we're trading momentum, and like, we're not making millionaires. Day trading is not where you make millions, okay? This is where we make our drink money, pocket money. We make this money funnel into our swing positions, and that's where we make our real dough. Day trading is cash flow, swing trading, growing your net worth. You need two together, hand in hand, to like lock the F in, and that is how to get rich. Get the board up.
Oh, sure.
And like, that that is how to get rich. Lock in. And look, now it's come back down to our area.
We're driving to the gym.
No, of me.
Oh.
Have we put it rolling?
Yeah.
Okay, so obviously we've taken our day trades now. Quick little day in the life. We're like skirting around 4:24 right now, and we're gonna like go to the gym just to de-stress, because not everything is about work, right? Obviously I'm gonna like vlog the day for you guys today, because like to keep you updated, so that's technically work, but like I am like overly locked in. Like I am very locked in. So if you just want to be average, then take your trades, day trade it, manage your positions, manage your swing positions, and just chill out, and maybe like spend some time with your family or a girlfriend. Maybe like a girlfriend. If you could like are lucky enough to like have a girlfriend, then props up to you, because like me and my friend George don't have that. Right, George?
That is right.
And like, why don't you have a girlfriend?
Well, let me just put me in the camera. Well, I don't have a girlfriend because I want to focus on getting rich first.
Yeah, so like, but it comes a day and age where, you know, we're older now. We're like pushing like unk status, if not already unk status, where maybe having like another partner would be giving you that extra motivation to like lock in and really make more money. Like, would you agree or disagree?
Yeah, I would agree if it's the right person.
So yeah, if there's the right person watching this video, W's in the chat and like DM George D. Harris on Instagram.
Just like double tap the screen. It's like we went to London yesterday and watched the England game. Obviously you can see that it was a 0-0 draw. But this is like a life lesson. Sometimes, you know, you're not gonna win, but you still have to push through, carry on, and you will find the light.
Bro's not that
anyway,
guy. Go get a Monster. Like, we need our caffeine here. I need to eat something, man. No camera, sorry, bro.
They want to keep the secret sauce from you.
They're
like,
selling something
sometimes
illegal.
they just want to like keep you entrapped.
Okay, let's go.
What we know, they don't want us to get it out.
Are you done?
The secret to escape the matrix.
Are you done?
I'm trying to get in your car.
Okay.
Thanks, man.
Let's get to the gym. I need to get some food. Alright boys, listen, we didn't like film like the gym because like we had anxiety, okay? There's a lot of people there, 5 o'clock rush hour, but the message we're trying to get across to you guys today, making money and being in shape is like positive correlation, because like, would you rather be rich and fat or like rich and in shape? Like, you're chasing financial freedom and being in shape, because if you're financially free and look like a loser, you'll gain 0 respect. Going home now, get a bit of dinner, I don't know, relax, maybe like edit up some content, because that's my passion, and then watch the World Cup. Lock the fuck in. See you at home, guys. End the fucking video.
Oh.
Yo chat, day is done now, okay? Day in the life of what we actually like get up to. So we are like had dinner, came back from the gym, got the gains in us, and now we're like winding down for the day. Like bro's like locked in, and we're testing out like a live stream. Testing out a live stream. So lock in, and I'll see you guys next time. Bang.